All right, y'all, we are leaving the Mercedes-Benz dealer. As y'all can see, there's only one way to leave though. I'm saying, hit that pedal. Woo! Woo! I love slide and it's raining. Let's go, baby! Although my car actually don't slide that good in the rain, I ain't gonna lie. They license plate hanging off. Oh, what? That thing gripped up, twin. Hey, I got good tires on, so it don't slide, bro. This car don't want to be sliding. Bro, what? Oh, crap. And this boy getting loosey goosey. Bro, so just such good tires though, they don't slip in the rain. I ain't gonna lie. How y'all doing, man? Just left the dealership. It is raining. It is raining. I low-key hate the rain, but it is what it is. I deal with it, you know what I'm saying? I low-key need to put traction back on. I need to see how I need to even get home, bro, because your boy need to get home. You know what I'm saying? So let me check that. 34 minutes, bro, to go to the cribbo. It's kind of crazy, bro. 34 minutes? Do you know you have 30 minutes? 30. I ain't gonna lie though, I ain't tripping. Atlanta not that far. And I'm in South, well, where I'm at is South Atlanta right now. I really don't even feel like going home. I wanna go out, I wanna go sliding, bro, it's raining. My car don't want to break traction. Y'all saw, bro? I don't know if y'all can tell, but the car gripped up just like that. Like, what is you gripping up for, twin? You're supposed to be having fun. But I guess it's better that I have good tires on the car than bad tires, so I ain't too much complaining. I'm not sure why we all keep stopping in this left lane. Not sure why we hugging on our brakes, bro. It's a small little corner. Oh! No, boy. Yeah, bro, I ain't too much tripping though. We are headed up to the city right now, back home. I had to go to Mercedes to get some stuff done and figured out, but now we are headed back up. But I just wish it was not freaking raining, bro, but the rain definitely helped with all the salt, so I ain't too much tripping about it. I'll be all right. And I don't really like driving my car in the rain. Also, we need to get this hood off my car. That's another thing we need to do. Look, it's y'all favorite person. Cough. Had a little chop up with my boy Rack. I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying? I don't know. Bro, so many people is mad about that video where I got pulled over by a cop, bro. Let me break something down for y'all, bro. I don't care. That's the most simplest form I can break it down to y'all, that I really don't care, bro. I'm here for the people who support me all the time, who always watch my videos. I value their opinion. If it was your first time in my comment section and you're talking about you're dumb, you're an idiot, blah, 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 bro, I literally don't care. Who are you? You haven't been rocking with me, bro. Now, my loyal supporters who told me, bro, yeah, you shouldn't have said that, or come on, Tez, you gotta get a tag. I respect that. But to the people who was in the comments calling me an idiot and a dummy and all this, bro, shut up, bro. I don't care. Y'all ain't been rocking with me. Y'all did help me with some views, but y'all ain't been rocking with me, so it don't even matter, bro. And the thing is, that video probably gonna get more views because I'm about to drop the TikTok version of that. I think that's a cop. Yep, it definitely is. I see the lights in the grill. Oh well. I'm about to drop the TikTok version of that, so I already know it's about to get way more engagement on there too. So, but I don't care, bro. I only value y'all and what y'all say. Oh, my mom calling, hold on. You new, bro, to supporting me, bro, and you say some craziness, bro, I'm gonna say some craziness back, and I don't value your opinion. And all the people who was telling me, like, bro, you shouldn't have did this and you didn't do that, and you was new, I respect your opinion. I value you because you told me about myself. Okay, that's cool. I don't mind hearing the truth about myself. One thing I do gotta work on though is less talking, bro. Less talking. When I'm in the interaction with the cops, it's minimal talking as much, bro. Like, it's minimal talking. Like, and for y'all to understand, bro, y'all remember I went and got another license plate. And what I tell y'all happened in Miami, bro, it got stolen out the port, bro. They steal the paper plates because it's easier to steal, bro. Like, they steal the paper tags because it could be put on any vehicle because the tag is not registered to any car. So I need y'all to understand that, bro. So they still, I can't do nothing if it's stolen, bro. The police report, y'all remember I had to get the police report, go to the thing. If y'all watch that video, I had to go to the thing, bro. This been an ongoing series for how long, bro? We've been trying to get the tag for the longest. So for the people who just came in and didn't even know what was going on, bro, y'all like, I don't care what y'all say, bro. Y'all don't mean nothing, for real. I'm trying to get my seat right, y'all. I'm in my PJs too. I gotta stop leaving out the house in my PJs. But then I remember I drive at M5, so it don't matter, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. I really just don't, like, when I leave out my house in my PJs, I'm not seeing nobody. I'm just dropping some stuff off. I'm not even getting out the car. Like, I'm straight chilling. But, yeah, bro. People just, I don't know. People are weird. Weird as heck. I ain't tripping though. Everything gonna be alright. People keep talking. They can say what they like. This Toyota is hogging the lane. Gonna be there all night. Get out the way. But yeah, bro. People gonna talk about you. I already knew what it was. When you put stuff on the internet, bro, that's the thing. If y'all want to become like content creators, bro, y'all got to be able to take what people gonna say to y'all, bro. See, sometimes I'm gonna hit back with you, other times I'm gonna just remove your comment. Just depends on what kind of mood I'm in, bro. Oh, and we didn't get a brownie the other night, bro. I might as well go ahead and grab a brownie. I didn't get one after work. But we're no problems now, guys. We have a tag. Because somebody said, they said, bro, please get a tag. You know, we need the videos, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, yeah, bro, you right. We do need the videos, twin. So guess what Tez did? Tez got a tag. And y'all don't even want to know how long it took. But that's not the issue, bro. We ain't even gonna get into that one, twin. But man. Hey, this is the shortcut way so you can avoid all the traffic. But it don't really actually even look like it's any traffic. It looks like it's pretty clear. I guess the traffic is like more so about to create it. I don't know. Yo, the rain, bro. I'm glad we got rain, bro. Like, actually. I don't need no wildfires or nothing happening here in Georgia, bro. I don't need no weirdness going on, bro. Y'all saw the helicopter crash. I ain't gonna talk too much about that, but y'all see what's going on, man. So I just try to stay out the way. I'm trying to get a lot of videos lined up for y'all, bro, so y'all can have continuous content. And I ain't gonna even say too much. I ain't gonna say too much. Good things coming for the channel, man. Good things coming for the freaking channel. Oh crap. I don't know, bro. The thing about driving in the rain is, like, yeah, I got good tires, as y'all can see. Like, y'all see Tez tires are straight, but that's an M4 mineral gray, pretty sure. Look nice. What if the reason you have to worry about driving in the rain, bro, if somebody has bad tires, and that G-Wagon coming fast. All right, let me get out the way, twin. I don't even want to be in the vicinity. Go! Oh, this is ELAV. They got money. They got money on. Think they let me hold the car for a day, make a POV with it. I want to make a POV with an EV. An EV. Escalade V. And that thing sound mean, bro. I never been a fan of Cadillac until the Escalade V dropped, if I'm gonna be honest. I did like the CTS V though, so I guess I was a fan of Cadillac. Let's say I wasn't a fan of Escalades until the Escalade V dropped. I'm not gonna lie. That thing is hard, bro, and it actually sounds good. I just need them out my way though, because they driving like a freaking grandpa. I think it's the car driving though. They probably got the thing set up like, you know, the adaptive driving, because that boy got cameras all in the screen, bro. He yerking that thing. I know y'all saw that thing yerk up. Hey, that's tough, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I should get an Escalade V to do a POV drive with. Also, I thought about renting a supercar and doing a POV drive with it too, because I think that'd be pretty cool. Even though it ain't my car, just smack out. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. We gotta look into some things to explore for the channel. I really wanna get into drifting, and I really wanna get into like building a car. You know what I'm saying? I really wanna build a car, bro, because I just think that'd be fire. That Elite V hard. That's the 2025 too. Y'all see the grill? That's a 2025 with the 5% tint, twin. This that G-Wagon that keep flying up. Relax, young man. Yeah, bro, the traffic to the house is crazy, but it is what it is. Then we got the M4 with the icons, bro. Looking good, young man. Oh, his name Chase, but I hate, is that a fake tag? Is that a fake tag, Chase? No, I'm just playing, that's the old tag. Dang, he kept that same tag for that long. And you know what I hate? People who put the competition badge on those, bro. Oh, what the world? Mustang with that IO wing. But I hate people who put the competition badge on the F80X chassis. Just saying. Hey, no hate. I just don't like it. It didn't come with a competition badge. Why you putting one on there, twin? Leave it off. Y'all think we gonna go to Insomnia, bro? And get me a brownie. Let me look up. Let me see. Bro, these brownies, if y'all have not, like, I know there's hype around crumble, bro. Me personally, I don't mess with crumble. Like, I used to heavy back in the day, and then what's it called? The cookie became like it had like sea salt sugar on there or something at the top, or sea salt. And after that, bro, I just couldn't mess with it after that. It was dunzo bunzo for me. I was like, yeah, I'm not putting that mess in my mouth no more. So now I just mess with the Insomnia and I get a brownie. Can't go wrong. You literally can't go wrong with a brownie and milk, bro. Like, at all. And look, y'all, this is my last day eating bad, bro. It's the last day of January. My new year started in February 1st is when my new year starts. So that is tomorrow. So therefore, I can't be eating bad, twin. I gotta eat good, twin. I gotta do right, twin. You know what I'm saying? I really don't need to go to Insomnia. I just stole this from the Mercedes-Benz dealership, bro. So I really don't need to go there. I really just need to go home. I'm not gonna lie to you. But if this satisfies my craving that I'm looking for, I'll go home. But if it don't, you know where we going. Let's see. It ain't bad, but what that brownie will do to me. Hold on, pause. Hey, pause. That brownie will do for me. That brownie felt good, man. Y'all, I'm so worried about summer, because my car's been staying real cool, but in the summer this thing does get heat soaked. So I need to look into like upgrading the cooling. But the CFS coolers, bro, I'ma just say people have run better numbers with stock intercoolers or charge coolers. I don't know, the two coolers that's right there. Now I gotta look it up. Oh, it is intercoolers. Yeah, so people have run better numbers without CFS intercoolers. Now, as far as the auxiliary radiator and the oil cooler and all that, I don't know what the numbers are, but I'm willing to look it up. And I also still need to get a guard for the oil cooler too, just to be safe, because, bro, it'd be so much random debris in the road. Like, bro, you'll be driving down the road and somebody blanket in the middle of the road, bro. Like, what? Just a lot that you gotta worry about. And I don't know why BMW don't give you a option, like why is the bottom of our cars not covered? I don't understand. That's the first charger I think I've seen with quad tips ever in my life. It has quads and it's a scat. That's crazy. I prefer quad tips though. Quad tip, I think that's why I like M cars and AMGs, obviously. Hey, them quad tips is something to have, I ain't gonna lie. But you know, AMGs, they got the little, you know what I'm saying? It's like slats or whatever. Bro, this is Atlanta for you, bro. But people who don't know, this is Atlanta for you. Chase down ATL. Yeah, I'm gonna roll my window up, riding past you. You scared me. Chase down ATL. Holy cow, buddy. Hey, look, if they was to put on a blinker, it'd be an arrow going the opposite way. Just so y'all, I don't know if y'all ever seen that, but the Mini Coopers, if they put on their blinker, the arrow will be going that way. So if they put on this blinker to go this way, the arrow will be going that way because it's in the arrow shape. I am gonna be working out. That's on my personal channel. If y'all have not subscribed over there, make sure you go subscribe. Probably about to end this video right here. We are not doing nothing for the next 23 minutes and I'm 4 miles away from my house. So I'll catch y'all on the flip. Peace.